Good morning, everyone. So we have right here in our office in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada, we have Miss Joanna and Sir Crescencio, who visited our office today. They would like to say hi.
Hello.
To everyone, to all of our followers in AB Lucky Immigration Solutions page. So I have here some few questions that we would like to know about Joanna and Crescencio. So, Sir Crescencio, can you share how did you first meet Ma'am Joanna?
Nakilala ko si Joanna nung mga bata pa kami kasi kababata ko siya.
O, diba? Sounds very interesting. And Ma'am Joanna, how did you first hear about AB Lucky Immigration Solutions?
I first hear it from my daughter.
Wow, from your daughter.
Yeah,
Okay.
I saw a help from you also before, so that's why.
Okay.
So,
Anong pangalan ng daughter mo, ma'am?
Abby.
Abby. Hi, Abby! Shout out kay Abby na nag-refer kay Ma'am Joanna. Because of Abby, nakilala ni Ma'am Joanna ang AB Lucky.
Yes.
And sir, could you tell us when did you arrive here in Canada and what type of visa did you initially apply for?
September 16, 2023 as visitor's visa.
Okay. And I believe, sir, noong una ko nakausap si Ma'am Joanna, parang may refusal pa kayo, di ba, sir?
Oo,
Yes,
may isang refusal.
Okay. Tapos from another agency yun, sir. Tapos nung tumawag po kayo dito sa office, you were quite, di ba, parang frustrated.
I know, parang natatakot ako na baka hindi na siya makakapunta kasi may deny na siya minsan. So sabi ko sa anak ko, pahingi yung agency na pinagdahan mo dati. Sabi niya gano'n, no, doon ka na lang kasi magagaling sila.
Ay, wow. So that's si Abby yun.
Abby.
Si Abby. Sir, right now, from visitor visa, what's the current visa you're holding now? From visitor, and ngayon pumunta ka dito sa office to pick up your visa counterfoil. Can you share to our followers what visa you're holding right now?
Working visa.
Wow, so ngayon, guys, Sir Crescencio is now holding an open work permit valid until
January 27, 2020.
2027. O, diba? So,
2 years.
oh, wow, diba? Grabing transition from visitor. Ngayon, through the help of AB Lucky, si Sir Crescencio is now holding a open work permit. So, congratulations, sir. Makakapagtrabaho ka na talaga. Long-awaited open work permit. So, sir and ma'am, how would you describe the services provided by AB Lucky? And do you have any messages for our staff? So, we're working hard to serve our clients.
Yeah, of course. Napaka-working hard nila. Napaka-babait. Talagang yung pagtulong nila sa amin, napaka-smooth yung flow, yung madali lang yung mga advice, mga ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing nila.
Speechless si Ma'am Joanna.
At napakabuti nila. So, why not try AB Lucky? Talagang maasahan at wala na kayong mahihiling pa sa kanila. Thank you so much sa inyo, sa pag-help nyo sa amin. Talagang overwhelmed.
Thank you din so much po for trusting AB Lucky. Ikaw, sir, meron ka bang mga recommendations dun sa mga nangangarap na makarating dito sa Canada to be reunited with their families at sa kanilang mga partners, mga mahal sa buhay? What can you recommend to our fellow kababayan na nangangarap na makarating sa Canada?
I recommend AB Lucky Immigration na puntahan nyo lang, tawagan nyo lang sila, nandyan sila, handang-handang tumulong sa inyo. Kung dito lang sa Canada ang pupuntahan nyo, perfect silang puntahan. AB Lucky Immigration.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Joanna and Sir Crescencio, for your time. And thank you so much. So, follow our page and subscribe for more. Kasi si Sir Crescencio, yan ang aming #1 liker. So, every time he sees approval, for sure nagpe-pray yan. Siguro sinasabi niya, sana ako na yung next. And ito na nga, manifested. So, thank you po for coming in our office. And thank you for your time. Maraming salamat. And all the best po sa new journey ninyo. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thanks sa inyo.